Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Mrs. Buhari, where is that new wife? Thank you for all you've done for this country. You've been a mother, a leader, and a good wife. Thank you. Let me thank the organizers of today's book club for providing me the opportunity and the ambience to reunite with my predecessor, former President Buhari, since he left the office, May 29, 2023. After handing over, he said, I'm far away in Daura. But if you need me, contact me. But I won't intrude in whatever you are doing. I won't interfere or breathe down your throat. We've partnered to make democracy flourish in Nigeria. President Buhari, thank you. Except when I call him to say, are you leaving? Are you being in the farm? You don't hear from him either to nominate or intrude in the cabinet or complain about it. Thank you for being who you are. When you left the office, you left many barrels and a bunch of tasks for me for continuity. And I told people, I inherit the asset and liability of my predecessor. No matter what you say. We always joke sometimes. And you say you can never please Nigerians. But yours is to focus, work hard, and satisfy your conscience. You have done that. You serve our country with dedication and a common zeal.